We want to schedule the grievance to move forward for the teachers so we can try to get resolution for it.
This afternoon, a status call was held at the Civil Service Commission for grievances on the Competitive Wage Act, or more commonly referred to as the Hay Study. As we reported, the Department of Administration started accepting appeals over the summer, specifically for employees to ask for the pay grade assigned to their position to be re-examined. At the same time, several other employees, namely those in the Guam Department of Education, were concerned about the change in their set placement and the effect it may have on their seniority. Guam Federation of Teachers Field Representative David Babalta, who represented the over dozens of cases before the CSC today, explains some of the concerns.
The fact that a lot of their long-time employees were not being recognized for their services, and it kind of like leaves, how would you say, a bad feeling for them because of the fact that their length of service and their 10 years have not been recognized. They were just all slotted into whatever they feel was closest to. So, that upset them. And then, they feel that they have a right because of the grievance to file one.
GFT currently has 17 cases before the CSC. Babalta says the figure doesn't represent people, but 17 schools so far, with even more pending. Teachers had filed complaints separately by school, but many of the complaints were similar in nature. As we reported, DOE had indicated there were at least 980 employees who had filed grievances over the Competitive Wage Act. Today, in the scheduling of cases, the CSC moved to consolidate them into one. Rebecca Perez is the legal counsel for GDOE.
I don't have an objection to consolidate the 17 that have been called out now, and because I think our dates will be set far enough out, if you decide you want to consolidate additional cases that are representing signatories on the exact same issue, I don't think DOE will have objections at that time.
The grievance hearing is set for next year on March 3rd and March 5th for all 17 cases. And while these hearings are a long way from today, Babalta says it's a step in reaching some resolution for the teachers.
If they were happy with it, they wouldn't file a grievance. So you could tell that they feel that they weren't appreciated in that part.
Reporting for Guam's News Network, I'm Ken Quintanilla.